welcome to Real Maya channel. Today is Father's Day, so it's going to be Father's Day special. My son is going to cook breakfast for my husband. So this is tulsi plant. This tulsi plant I planted today. This goes into my husband's car. He puts in the car in the coffee holder, and this is going to grow whole of summer. I'll be updating this after summer. Today's menu is going to be instant idli with coconut and peanut chutney and some snacks, that is pool makhan or lotus seeds, sweet and spicy, both varieties. So my son is going to do all these things.
Hi guys, I'm Maya's son Hiran. Today I'm going to make something special for my dad, that is idli with coconut chutney and sweet and spicy lotus seeds. So this is not a sponsored video. I'm using 2 idli ravas instead. I took 2 packets of this idli. I added 2 spoons of oil to it. I'm adding around 600 ml of water. Mix it and cook it for 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. It's all fermented. So I'm not making a regular idli, I'm making a flat idli. So I'm just gonna pour my batter inside this. I already glazed with oil. Batter it. So I'm gonna level this up. I level this and now I'm gonna put this in steamer for 20 minutes. I have 3 spoons of roasted peanuts, 3 chilies, 3 spoons of chickpea split, 3 spoons of coconut, and some salt. I'm gonna take 2 spoons of tempering. I have added peanuts, chilies, coconut, and roasted chickpea split in the blending jar. So I added water when I'm grinding, depending on your consistency. I'm gonna add some tempering to my coconut chutney and some of it to my ginger chutney too. The recipe is already in one of my mom's videos. For the ingredients for spicy sweet lotus seeds. First, I'm taking 2 spoons of roasted sesame seeds, 2 spoons of butter, and 2 spoons of raw sugar. We call it jaggery. I was taking 150 grams of lotus seeds for 2 different recipes. I'm gonna add my butter and I'm gonna turn it on to a medium 6 and mix it. Depending on the heat, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes to lose all the raw taste. So I crushed half spoon of pepper and salt. I have added the salt and pepper to the spicy portion and I'm gonna mix it well. I have taken half spoon of butter and melted it. Now I'm gonna add some jaggery. Some water to it. And I'm gonna mix it until the sugar melts. Now I'm gonna add my other portion of lotus seeds. Mix them. Now I'm gonna add sesame seeds to it. I'm gonna add sesame seeds after the syrup is absorbed. So I have completed my spicy and sweet lotus sweets. And thank you for Lakshmi Attat for providing the recipe. I have my ginger chutney, coconut chutney, sweet lotus seeds, spicy lotus seeds, and my idli. Happy Father's Day to all fathers.
Hi everyone. My son has made today the idli, chutney, and sweet with lotus seeds and a snack of lotus seeds. I'm going to taste it and I'm going to let you know. It's yummy. I'm going to taste the sweet. It's good.
For full description, look into the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for new notification. Until then, bye. See you with next new recipe.